The BORGUSI 3.0HP Treadmill features a spacious running track with a double shock-absorbing deck, catering to various stride lengths while ensuring a smooth and stable workout experience. Its 12% automatic incline and high-performance 3-horsepower motor make it suitable for a range of exercises, from walking to running, with a maximum speed of 8.5 miles per hour. A user-friendly LCD panel displays essential workout metrics, and the built-in Bluetooth speaker allows you to enjoy music wirelessly, enhancing your exercise sessions. The treadmill is designed with convenience in mind, featuring easy assembly and a space-saving foldable design with a soft drop system to protect your floors. Real-time heart rate monitoring is integrated, enabling you to track your intensity and align workouts with fitness goals efficiently. BORGUSI provides a 1-year parts protection plan and responsive customer service, ensuring a smooth and satisfying purchase experience.